I just cracked the AI content system that lets me pump out scripts, repurpose them across every platform, and even turn them into ad creatives, all without AI slop. You're going to learn how to build a content system that outputs scripts for any funnel stage, repurposes them across platforms, and turn your best organic content into ad creatives. I'm going to be real. All those completely automate your marketing with AI workflows are garbage. I guarantee you're still manually grinding out content because those one-shot automation promises never deliver. It's because AI does not make anything with taste and creativity. It makes things based on probability. It cannot one-shot your copy, content, or scripts. You need structure, good inputs, and you need to stop going in blind expecting the AI to read your mind. And here's why this actually matters. Content production is your bottleneck right now. Bad AI outputs aren't saving you time, they're wasting more time because now you're fixing slop instead of creating good content. You need a system that works with you, not for you. Before you click off thinking this is another AI slop video, here's why this won't output AI slop. You get garbage outputs because your prompts suck. What we're doing in this video is having AI work with us throughout the process as a thinking partner, not trying to one-shot the entire content system. The prompts have built-in constraints that prevent AI slop and force AI to work in modules for each part of the script, so you can make changes as you go. The way this process works is we start by making context files for our business, customer persona, and brand voice. By the way, if you want a complete breakdown on how to build these context profiles step by step, I have a full guide that walks you through the entire process. Link in the description. Now we're going to use the long-form content strategy to make some bottom-of-funnel video scripts. This is where you use your context profiles to create evergreen scripts for any funnel stage. The AI works in modules, asking you questions section by section so you can guide it instead of hoping for a one-shot miracle. I'm just going to breeze over how to make long-form evergreen content with AI. If you want a more detailed guide, just watch my last video. We're just going to make a Claude project. Now drop in your business context profiles into the file section. Now just find a high-performing piece of copy you want to reverse engineer. Can be an article or a video. Then paste in the analysis prompt from the WOP. This has Claude output a JSON analysis of the swiped copy. Now, in the same chat, paste the long form, medium, or bottom of funnel scripting prompt. The prompt walks through each section, like hook, lead, body, and CTA module by module, which makes fixing the script way easier as you go. And boom, we got the final script. Remember boys, good inputs equal good outputs. Make sure you know your mechanism, USP, and offer before writing the copy. You should already know the purpose and structure of the video before running the prompt. Alright, now you should have your long-form video scripts ready. You can also use the scripts of videos you already made. Once you have your long-form script, you can repurpose it across every platform, like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. This multiplies your content output without creating everything from scratch. I'm just going to use the Notion AI agent for this. To set this up, you need to store all of your context profiles in a Notion database. After that, paste the full video script in a Notion page. Now open up your Notion agent and make sure to add the database and script as context. Then just paste the prompt from the comments in the chat. And sheesh, it makes all these subpages with a bunch of repurposed content. You're going to need to make small changes here and there, but this definitely saves you a lot of time. All right, now let's go over how you can turn your winning organic content into paid ads. Now, just to be clear here, I don't run paid ads, but here's how you could use the organic content for paid if you run paid. Once you find organic content that performs well, you can reverse engineer it into paid ad creatives. This takes your proven winners and scales them with ad spend. Essentially, you take the core concept of the high-performing organic script and convert it into a static. And you can use the full script as an article, the static links to, or the caption of the static. Take the script of your high-performing video. This should be your proof videos, so middle or bottom of funnel content. Now, the ad format in this demo will just be a simple static along with long-form copy. The copy can be in the caption or a linked article. First, we'll make the static. The way this process works is we find a high-performing static, we reverse engineer it to find winning elements, we make a JSON image prompt based off of that, and finally, we paste the prompt into Nano Banana. And if needed, we can make some touch-ups in Canva because AI messes up the text sometimes. So here's a pretty good static I found online. I just had Claude analyze it. And then I told it to use the winning elements it analyzed to make a JSON image prompt. I'm just going to paste it into Gemini. And wow, boys, just look at how detailed that is. To be honest, your copy will mostly stay the same. Now, here are some cheats to make this even more cracked. Build a library of high-performing copy to reverse engineer. The more winners you have in your swipe file, the better your outputs get. Organize all your copy into a large database. You can mix and match components of similar scripts to create new copy. Think of it like building blocks. Take a hook from one winner, a body from another, and combine them. You can also make a storyboard for your short-form scripts and use Sora 2 to generate the clips. This takes your repurposed content to the next level visually. Alright, here's where most people mess this up. The biggest mistake is trying to one-shot the entire script and skimming over the modules. You'll end up with generic slop that doesn't match your brand. The whole point of this system is working with the AI module by module, so you can guide it and make changes as you go. Slow down and actually answer the questions for each section. Also, these strategies are for marketers who already write killer copy themselves and want to scale their output. If you lack copywriting fundamentals or market research skills, AI won't save you. Cracked copywriters print with AI because they understand what great copy looks like, and it's not fancy words. You must genuinely immerse yourself in your target audience. Simply feeding AI context profiles without truly knowing your market won't get you very far. Another huge mistake is not testing your organic content before turning it into ads. You need to let organic prove the concept first. If it doesn't perform organically, throwing ad spend behind it won't magically fix it. Find your winners, then scale them. And finally, stop expecting perfect outputs without any edits. AI is not going to read your mind and nail it first try. This system works with you, not for you. You still need to guide it, refine it, and add your own touch. That's what prevents the slop. If you want access to all the prompts and context profile schemas, join the WAP. Link in the description. Anyways, boys, thanks for watching. Peace.